back to our channel. I'm Jazzy. And I'm Evie. Since Christmas is just around the corner, we decided to decorate gingerbread houses. So let's get started. Now what we need for our gingerbread houses are icings. We have red icings, black icings, and white icing. And what we need for our toppings is candy. We have some candy here and candy here. So now let's get started building. So now I'm doing the roof. I'm using red icing for this detail. And I'm decorating the roof. So now when I'm done doing this, I'm going to use white icing for the roof. And I'll use the door with red icing. Now I'm doing the door with the handle. I'm almost done with my roof, and now this is how it looks. I'm making my house, and I'm all done with my handles. So, and now next I'm gonna do the roof still. These, and I'm gonna do each rainbow color on there. But I don't know how to do it, but wait, because something. So we just put dots. I'm gonna do rainbow toppings on the top of the roof. So I'm gonna add this rainbow. And I'm gonna add some lights in the roof. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to work on the windows. And I am going to be going over for these roofs. I am going to put red and blue in my roof for my lights. So this is how it looks like. This is my looking at. I'm not finished on this roof because I'm busy on doing these. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do yellow lights. There's a lot of colors for these lights. So now I'm going to work on this. I said I was going to work on the doors, but I'm going to work on this now because I want this to go. For
the doors, I'm gonna decorate them.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, do you like the lights?
That's so cute. Now I'm working on this second row and it's going pretty on well.
So this is how my house looks like. In the bottom, I'm gonna put it green.
Now I'm going to do the doors. I don't know if I want to do the big little kitty bars, but I think I'm going to do the small ones. I think I'm going to do one of them.
Her house looks so beautiful.
Thank you. My sister's gingerbread is really cute. I like how she did her little top up there. So pretty.
I could have done small ones like my sister, but
It's okay. No one's perfect. So I'm gonna do this part. Okay. So now I'm done with that row. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And this part has dried up. And now it's really good.
now I'm gonna make the dog. Where's the? Now I'm gonna decorate my dog.
And guys, honestly, that's very cute. So what I found out these I think they're called gumdrops or something. But you know how these green little gumdrops look like trees? So guess what I did? I put them by my front door. I was gonna put the purple as my front door, but I wanted to do something really cool.
I'm so excited to decorate my dog.
Oh, it looks so cute. So now I'm gonna decorate the windows. It might be a little bit hard, but it doesn't really matter.
I want to make dogs like smiles. Or should I do a frosting?
You can do dots if you want,
Probably frosting.
but be careful.
I'm still doing my life because
I did the windows. Kind of look funny a little bit, but doesn't matter. I like how I did my front door with the orange doorknob.
it's like fun if you messed up. Like you don't have to worry.
So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. And these little gumdrops are hearts. These purple little gumdrops. And what do I have here? Let's see. Oh,
Actually, the smiles are gonna be mints.
we have a little balling. Cool. And we have little leaves. I was gonna do these little roof part there, but I guess I might use these lights.
These are too big. I don't know if I can do a smile.
What should I do? You can use these. They look like smiles.
Okay, I'll just
Like that, and like, you can just put these on mine. Okay. Or do you want help?
I wish we had black ones, but
We don't.
I'll just make the smile green. Because we can't use a black anymore.
So now I want to do this part of this because I'm scared because I don't know what to do for this, but I'm gonna do really good. And it's gonna do this.
Some frosting.
And we also have napkins in case
We messed up.
And guys, I put J for Jazzy, and I put it in that purple bundle, and it looks amazing. And if you guys want me to put a V for my last name, I could, because that's kind of how my initial. But then I'm gonna do J on this side too. Because I was gonna do curtains, but I thought that would make it mess up, so I just did not do curtains. But now I'm just gonna do this. I love the top. They look pretty. And like how it looks. Now I'm doing another window, and it's going to look awesome. But I'm not doing curtains because, like I said, it will not look good.
It ruined it.
Yeah. I don't know about the middle parts of the roof here because at night be a little bit weird, but still it's okay. I'm wondering. Okay, now what I want to do? Can you give me the white icing, please? This one? Let's bring this up. So now,
This is how my gingerbread looks like. I like yours, Evie. Thank you. I like yours too, Jazzy. I like the rainbow colors. Thank you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.